is get a microphone, which I am, it's in the mail, and also can you do a behind the scenes tour? We want to see your studio. So instead of Make It Wednesday, it's let's show you the studio Wednesday. So right now we're in the front of our space. We are in suite number 4. And let's come in and let me show you. The first room is a mess, but I'm showing you because I'm transparent. All right, so let's go in. It's late, but so when you first walk in, you'll see I have soap. So right here is an old display. Let's switch this up. So right here is an old display. This is what I had bath bombs in when I would go and do shows. Here is all of my soap trays full of soap. I need to organize this bad. Right here is soap cutters and soap molds. Cutters and molds. This right here is a lip balm tray. Every soaper who sells lip balm needs this tray. And the reason why, hold on, let me move these. The reason why is, look, it is flush. So you don't have to go back and scrape. It is a wonderful tray. Soapequipment.com. Okay, and then more soap cutters and essential depot molds. So right here is all molds. Then this right here has to do with packing. Come back in here. So our studio space is actually 1,500 square feet. So this right here, we're in the process of making it in our curing room. And then right here is all my orders. And if I show you, I'd have to kill you. And then my bathroom. And then you come into the studio. Oh, this is like this is literally when I drew out my studio, this is what I wanted. So, and to be able to create it, it's like, oh, amazing. So let's go around to this corner. So right here is our candle Cove. So we have candles on here. It goes fragrance oils, essential oils, everything's organized. Right there is our candle melter, our melting tank. So this is the large oil tank from Soap Equipment, but we use it for candle wax. And then right here, this is my unicorn. This is the Cougar filling machine. Oh my God, this machine's amazing. Literally, it is my unicorn. Darren will be doing a video because this is his baby. But then it goes all here. Oil. I mean, this is how we get our fragrance oil. I will be talking about where I purchased from soon. That's going to be the next series after the series we're on now. And then right here is all my work. And then these are molds that we're in the process of lining right now. So this is Candle Cove. And then back here, this is, you know, where we keep things storage, and then there's all my slab molds. And then this right here is my sink that I found from Craigslist. I absolutely love my 3-department sink. It's like this and a hot water heater are the 2 most important things you can have in a studio. And then right here is where we make all the soap. So right here's the tilting pot, and then organization is so important. So I did splurge, and I got some really good containers from the Container Store, and then IKEA, and then I just keep all of my extracts are down here. So extracts and stuff that has to do with lotions and that, and then herbs. And it's just organization is so important to me. And then oils that don't have to do with bulk is right here, like jojoba and grapeseed, hemp, the oils I don't use very often. And then comes down below, and then it goes into, you know, Costco olive oil. And then if you go into this room, this is where we cut our soap, and we also make bath bombs. So this right here is our bath bomb press molds. So I have 2 of these. This is the cuber mold from Soap Equipment. So this is what I use to make shower steamers or cube bath bombs. And then we also have the mini balm. Oh, hold on. So the mini balm is right here. So that's for mini bath bombs, and that is what gets attached to the soap cutter, which this right here you've seen in the past is the soap cutter. So these molds get attached to that. And then donut racks is what these are. More soap stackers. And then back here is baker's racks with bath bombs on them. My foreign mixer. And then the lotion filler is down here. And then Jason's multi-press. So, I mean, you can get a lot in a smaller space. It's just all about organization. So this is the bath bomb room / making and cutting soap room. And then let me take you into our last space. So this right here is where the orders come and orders go. So back here is the space where it's our back door, and also where we keep our drums of oil. So here's 2 drums of coconut oil, and then large space storage is up above, and organization again, and IKEA helped with that. So I'm gonna have Darren just kind of walk through again, and that is my dream studio that I put down on paper. So it's 1,500 square feet of, so Darren's gonna walk back through, and I'm Joanna Couch, the soap gal. I hope you enjoyed this video of my studio tour. Thank you for coming. I will see you on Sunday.